All right. And video, ProStream, video, virtual background, none. Okay. There we go. All right, so a couple little things. Number one, you had this and you had these, correct? And then you had something like this, 2x plus 7 and 32. What do I do to proof find x? What do I do? What's the first statement? 2x plus 7. Ooh, what kind of angles are these? Alternate interior angles. And so what are they?
Good morning, high school staff and students. A couple announcements today for Friday, October 23rd. Tech students next week, if you need your lunches, make sure you go to the cafeteria as opposed to picking it up in front of the main office. Just go down to the cafeteria, pick up your lunch for the day. Reminder, next week on Monday, we are having Crazy Sock Day. Tuesday will be Pajama Day. Thursday, wear pink. Friday will be Halloween colors. And also on Friday, we are planning on having a smoothie stand available to students. Need extra support, academic support that is. Please advocate for yourself and set up a time with your teacher in the afternoons or on Wednesdays to meet one-on-one with them. And reminder, we are here for you to help you academically. It's audition time. Get ready for virtual auditions for the Descendants. Record a 1-minute monologue, and if you want a solo song or line, your best 1 minute of your favorite song, and make sure you submit that to the WLHS Drama Department at gmail.com by Monday, October 26th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a great Friday.
Okay. Guys, you have to know what these look like. You got to, like when you look at a page, you go, boom, alternate interior, boom, alternate exterior. Look at that guy. Thank you. All right. So you have to know, remember folks, if it's between the lines, interior. If it's on the outside of the parallel lines, it's exterior. So if I look at this, I say, what's true about those two angles? They have to be congruent, correct? So I set them equal to one another. What would you put here? This is the big thing that I want to help correct here. There's a little deal. That's it. Now, some people are like, well, wait, isn't it given? Isn't it given? Yes, it is given, right? But what tells you that those two given angles are in fact equal? It's the fact that they are alternate interior angles that makes them equal. Does that make sense, guys? Yes, no, maybe so. Do this for me.
So if you wrote given, then they're all going to be
Well, yeah, or you just fix it, right? Because you look at it, you go, oh, that's alternate interior. Oh, that's alternate exterior. Oh, that's corresponding. Now, so in this case, minus 7, 2x equals 25. How do we know? By the subtraction process, right? What do I do next here? Divide by 2, x equals 25 over 2, and that's by division, and there you go. Does that make sense, guys? Here's the other thing that kids messed up. They did pretty well with this one. They did okay with this one. They didn't do great with this one. What's the key to corresponding angles? That's it. One is inside, one is outside. So if they're both inside, alternate exterior. If they're both outside, alternate exterior. One of each corresponding. Don't forget vertical angles. Linear pair makes a what? Makes a straight, oof, Oglesby. Linear pair makes a straight what? Line, very good. Complementary angles add up to how many degrees? 90, perfect. Now, here's the other one the kids messed up. Not that one. Angle 1, angle 2. Those are not a linear pair. How come those two together are not a linear pair? They don't go all the way where? They don't go all the way around, do they? How come they're not complementary? What's not in this picture to tell you complementary? There's no little box to show you to 90 degrees, correct? So make sure you know these. These would simply be adjacent, okay?